In this video, I'm going to show you how to open DWG file in PlanSwift. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top on the Home tab, and you want to click on New over here, top left. Now, from here, you want to give this a name, so the job a name. I'm just going to name this one, let's just do a test job like this. You can give it a description and some notes if you want to. I'm just going to ignore this. And then where it says new job location, make sure it says local, and the measurement type can be whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it as metric. After that, click on Next. And from here, you'll have to basically browse and open up the folder where you want to, of course, find your DWG file. So mine is in the Downloads folder. You want to go to Browse, you want to find it, click on the folder, and there we go. Now from here, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see here at the bottom, there we go, I do have a DWG file. I have to click on this check mark next to it and then click on Next. And from here, I can just click on Next again and then Finish. And as you can see, there we go, it's going to open my DWG file inside PlanSwift. And if I go to open up top, you can see it's now over here on the list. It's this one, it's the test job. And yeah, that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.